Welcome to this English speaking practice video. This lesson is for beginners who understand English but want to speak better. In this video, you will practice simple daily sentences. The focus is on confidence, clarity, and natural speaking. This session includes 2 practice parts to help you build fluency step by step. Practice regularly and you will feel the difference. Relax and focus before starting. Listen carefully and repeat each sentence with me. Each sentence is repeated 3 times to help your fluency. Speak slowly and clearly. Pause the video if needed. Now, let's begin. The first sentence is, I wake up early every morning. Repeat now. I wake up early every morning. Again, speak slowly. I wake up early every morning. Now, the next sentence. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Repeat now. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Again, clearly. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Listen to the next one. I feel fresh after a good sleep. Repeat now. I feel fresh after a good sleep. Again, slowly. I feel fresh after a good sleep. Here is another sentence. I drink a glass of water. Repeat now. I drink a glass of water. Again, with confidence. I drink a glass of water. Let's move to the next sentence. I prepare myself for the day. Repeat now. I prepare myself for the day. Again, speak clearly. I prepare myself for the day. Now listen carefully. I think positive thoughts. Repeat now. I think positive thoughts. Again, slowly. I think positive thoughts. The next sentence is, I practice English every day. Repeat now. I practice English every day. Again, confidently. I practice English every day. Listen to this sentence. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Repeat now. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Again, speak slowly. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Now, say this sentence. Mistakes help me learn better. Repeat now. Mistakes help me learn better. Again, clearly. Mistakes help me learn better. The next one is, I speak English with confidence. Repeat now. I speak English with confidence. Again, slowly. I speak English with confidence. Keep going. Listen carefully. I listen carefully when people speak. Repeat now. I listen carefully when people speak. Again, speak slowly. I listen carefully when people speak. Here is another one. I try to use simple English words. Repeat now. I try to use simple English words. Again, clearly. I try to use simple English words. Now, repeat this sentence. I speak slowly to avoid mistakes. Repeat now. I speak slowly to avoid mistakes. Again, slowly. I speak slowly to avoid mistakes. Listen to the next sentence. I understand English better every day. Repeat now. I understand English better every day. Again, with confidence. I understand English better every day. The next sentence is, I repeat sentences to improve fluency. Repeat now. I repeat sentences to improve fluency. Again, speak clearly. I repeat sentences to improve fluency. Now listen and repeat. I enjoy speaking English daily. Repeat now. I enjoy speaking English daily. Again, slowly. I enjoy speaking English daily. Here comes the next sentence. I feel more confident while speaking. Repeat now. I feel more confident while speaking. Again, clearly. I feel more confident while speaking. Focus on clear pronunciation and come speaking. Listen first, then repeat each sentence slowly. This practice will help you speak naturally. Pause the video anytime you need. Now, let's continue. The first sentence is, I start my day with a positive mindset. Repeat now. I start my day with a positive mindset. Again, speak slowly. I start my day with a positive mindset. Now, the next sentence, I make a simple plan for my day. Repeat now. I make a simple plan for my day. Again, clearly. I make a simple plan for my day. Listen to the next one. I eat a healthy breakfast. Repeat now. Repeat now. I eat a healthy breakfast. Again, slowly. I eat a healthy breakfast. Here is another sentence. I leave my house on time. Repeat now. I leave my house on time. Again, with confidence. I leave my house on time. Let's move to the next sentence. I stay calm in busy situations. Repeat now. I stay calm in busy situations. Again, speak clearly. I stay calm in busy situations. Now listen carefully. I try to speak English during the day. Repeat now. I try to speak English during the day. Again, slowly. I try to speak English during the day. The next sentence is, I listen to English videos and podcasts. Repeat now. I listen to English videos and podcasts. Again, confidently. I listen to English videos and podcasts. Listen to this sentence. I understand more words than before. Repeat now. I understand more words than before. Again, speak slowly. I understand more words than before. Now, say this sentence. I ask questions when I do not understand. Repeat now. Repeat now. I ask questions when I do not understand. Again, clearly. I ask questions when I do not understand. The next one is, I am improving step by step. Repeat now. I am improving step by step. Again, slowly. I am improving step by step. Keep going. Listen carefully. I speak without fear now. Repeat now. Repeat now. I speak without fear now. Again, speak slowly. I speak without fear. Now, here is another one. I practice speaking in front of a mirror. Repeat now. I practice speaking in front of a mirror. Again, clearly. I practice speaking in front of a mirror. Now repeat this sentence. I use English in daily conversations. Repeat now. I use English in daily conversations. Again, slowly. I use English in daily conversations. Listen to the next sentence. I learn new words every day. Repeat now. Repeat now. I learn new words every day. Again, with confidence. I learn new words every day. The next sentence is I enjoy the learning process. Repeat now. Repeat now. I enjoy the learning process. Again, speak clearly. I enjoy the learning process. Now, listen and repeat. I am becoming a better English speaker. Repeat now. Repeat now. I am becoming a better English speaker. Again, slowly. I am becoming a better English speaker. Here comes the next sentence. I stay patient and consistent. Repeat now. I stay patient and consistent. Again, clearly. I stay patient and consistent. Well done for completing this practice. Take a slow breath and relax. You are learning at your own pace, and that is enough. Calm practice brings real improvement. If this lesson helped you, you may like the video. You can subscribe for more calm English practice. Feel free to share this video with someone who needs it. You may also leave a comment and share your experience. Thank you for practicing with me. See you again, and take care.